compensate kung ano yung mga pagkakamali niya on the past.
In terms of your own fighting career, meron ba tayong naabangan?
Sa akin, oo naman. I think may natitira pa before calling it a career. And I'm happy. Nakikita ko yung mga boys ngayon. They are doing good. Matatalino sila. They know how to capitalize kung yun sa mga nakikita nila through social media. They are learning very fast and maganda. I think kailangan talaga may passes kung ano yung goal nila, ano yung gusto nilang marating para hindi sila mabiglang iko.
May target ka na sa next fight?
Yung target ko is either sana second quarter or third quarter ng taon. So looking into that, syempre yung ginagawa namin ngayon habang piniprepare namin si Jeremy, nag-training din kami kasi we are professionals anytime na bibigay yung call kung hindi ka ready, sayang naman yung opportunity.
Meron nang na-ay na kalaban?
So far, wala pa naman. Although, syempre, medyo giniba yung rankings kasi sa lightweight division. So, I think ang pinaka-best na gagawin doon is to see kung sino yung mga former na nasa top 5 and then prepare for that.
Ang nag-word kanina sinabi ni Joshua na kumbaga si Jared Brooks daw yung his best opponent in his career. Ikaw ba, in your long story career, who would you say was your best opponent?
Yung best opponent. Si Christian yata.
Shinya.
Si Shinya siguro kasi parang talagang naging challenge siya talaga sa buhay ko yung parang alam mo as Pinoy fighter, di ba, talagang looking into the past until the present, talagang kulang natin on those times is yung ground, but it pushed me to find a way kung paano ko siya masusolusyonan. So yun, I think he is one of those greatest fighter that I hope in my career.
If si Jared ulit ang next kalaban ni Sir Joshua,